One tip I will always give my luxury girls is to wait till the end of season sale. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship with luxury pretty much all the time. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you're one of my regular lovies, girl, put your wig on. Let's go shopping. Okay, we're going to get started and get right into it. I have been shopping Saks Fifth Avenue sale and I got a couple of things. I'm not one of those girls that has to have something right when it comes out. I mean, unless I really love it, I'm going to wait till it goes on sale. I'm going to wait till the end of summer, end of spring, end of winter, end of whatever and find that item. Okay, so I bought a couple of things from the Saks Fifth sale. And we're going to talk about it. I'm going to put videos to the side for the clothing items that I bought. This set is from Sleeper. It is a Sleeper top and bottom. It's currently on sale. It comes in a lot of different prints, which brings us to our first item that I got during the sale is a Sleeper set. Now this Sleeper set has been trending for a while. I remember when Sleeper burst on with this two-piece set, there were so many people making copies of it. I actually bought one from Amazon, but when I saw it on sale, I said, okay, Fumi, go ahead and buy two of them. The colors was what drew me. Well, first, the feathers. The feathers drew me. I am a feather girl. I'm over the top. I'm a logo girl. I want to stand out. I want to be like, ah, la, 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 I'm here. And when I saw the feathers, I said, oh my God, I gotta have it. I love the geometric shapes in this set. I also love that this is a set that you can style with the pants with another top, the top with a pair of jeans. I mean, there's so many ways that you can style it, or you can literally entertain guests in it. Like you can open your door, your double door to your mansion like Scarlett O'Hara and allow your guests into your mansiones. Okay, it's a set that says I'm rich, I'm at home, I'm comfortable, but I'm still a baddie. And that's the vibe I'm always going for. So I like that I can dress this up or dress it down. I'm not gonna cook in it because the feathers will choke my family out, but I can walk around the house. I'm not going to clean in it, but I can just walk around the house and look cute. But for the most part, the way I've seen it is people styling it for street style. I will put pictures to the side of people that I've seen style it really well for going out, for date nights, and even for brunch dates. I love the versatility of the set. I am in a size medium in that set right there. It fits pretty true to size, but if you are hippier, I'm pretty narrow. If you are hippier, definitely size up. If you are taller, definitely size up. The set seems to run a little short because if you see the length on me, I'm 5 feet and I have heels on, and even without the heels, it hits me like at my ankles. So if you are tall, definitely get the size that fits your height, or better yet, go in the store and try it on because sometimes you don't know. For my tall girls, I'm so sorry. Us short girls, we have our own problems. Tall girls also have their own problems. So definitely go in the store and try it on for this Sleeper set. If you want a more roomier feel, get a size up. I bought the pink in a size large, and I bought the black and lavender and white in a size medium. I'm gonna say I like the large a little bit better because it's very roomy. Like, I don't gotta worry about like my fupa hanging out of the larger set. In the medium, I probably am going to wear Spanx with it. It does not have pockets. That's one thing I wish that they would do, is put pockets on these sets, because pockets, when you have a fupa or when you have a larger stomach or when you don't have hips, pockets give you the illusion of hips, which help give you the hourglass shape. I don't have a lot of hips, so I like pants with pockets. These don't come with pockets, so that's the only detraction from this set, but it was on sale for $170, which is a lot better than it normally. That's the first thing that I bought. The next item that I bought is from Ajay. I'm going to put the video to the side. I absolutely love Ajay. They're an Australian brand. They make hyper feminine clothing. Like, their clothing is such great quality. It is in Australian sizing, so I am a size US 8, and in Australian sizing, I am a size 12. So usually when I shop, I will shop a 12, which is a US size 8. It fits perfectly. It is pretty true to size, so I never go up and I never go down. I usually just stick with the size 12 in all of their dresses. I've never bought pants from them. I've only ever bought tops and dresses, and in both of those I am an 8, so I usually just buy an 8. I am probably going to look into buying a pair of pants to see if I'm still Australian size 12 or if I need to go up, and I'll let you guys know. This is the Sculpture Astrid mini dress in the color marine green. Again, I'm in a size 12, 8 US. It fits amazing. I didn't have anybody to help me like do the back because the back cross stitches, so I just had to do the best with these two T-Rex arms that I have. So I'm gonna put a picture of what the back is supposed to look like. Don't do as I do, do as Ajay does, okay? Find somebody that can help you like string it up. Now when I wear it out in public, I will have my husband do it, but y'all, it's the middle of the night here. My kids are sleeping and I'm shooting these YouTube videos. I was not about to go upstairs and wake anybody up to help me, so I just did the best I could with what I had, and it actually is very beautiful. I feel like I could have even gone down one size, but I'm so glad I stuck with the 8. The color is gorgeous. The material is beautiful. It is literally like so structurally beautiful that it makes me smile. The color is vibrant. Like, this is a dress you could wear on a date. This is a dress you could wear to brunch. This is a dress you could wear, let's say you had a TV appearance, and you know most TV appearances are shooting you top up. It's the perfect dress. It covers you, but then it's short, so it gives you a lot of leg. You have the back out, but nobody really sees it unless they're behind you. It is an absolutely gorgeous dress. Ajay just knows how to do dresses. This one is on sale. I will link it in the description if it's something you want to buy with Ajay. Once it goes on sale, the people buy the sizes really quick, and they buy the bigger sizes really quickly because they're very hard to find. Let's go to the next item that I got during the Saks sale. Comment below and let me know if you are more a shoe girl or if you are more a bag girl. Clearly, I am a bag girl, but every now and then I will find a pair of shoes that I really like and then I buy them. I went into Saks and I saw these Alexander Wangs. They were on sale and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. They had two different iterations of it. They had the mesh and they had this one right here, and literally I was like, yeah, we're going to get you. We are going to get you. It actually reminds me of like Balenciaga. Balenciaga had a pair of pumps like this and I was so obsessed with them. I wanted to get them, but you know, I had to put away all my Balenciaga items, so there was no way I was going to buy another one. They almost look like the Balenciaga knife pumps because of the length of the toe is so long. It is a satin material and then with rhinestone A's all over it. They kind of look like B's, but they are A's for Alexander. One thing that I love is the cushion. Do you guys see this? Hold on. Oh my God. Do you see this? It has cushion for your foot, so you get a pillowy feel as you walk in these shoes. It also has it all the way down here. Like, this is a really thought out shoe for comfort. They're padding on the inside, at the insole, and on the back. It absolutely is just a very comfortable shoe. I will say, size down, I'm usually a 37 in shoes, which is a US size 7. I got a 36 and a half. So I got a 36.5. This is the Delphine 105 pumps in black, of course, with the rhinestone. Size down, I am usually a 37, which is a 7 US. I got a 36 and a half. And I could have done a 36. So I tried on the 36, and I think I did a video. I'll put a video to the side. I tried on the 36 in the mesh, and it fit perfectly. The mesh, however, with mesh, stretches. So you could tell other people had tried on the mesh, and the shoe that they had tried on was bigger than the shoe that they had in the back. Like the foot that everybody was trying on has stretched out. So I wouldn't recommend that mesh because after a while, it's going to stretch. And there's no way you can get it to not stretch, to go back to its regular size. So stick with the satin pumps. I will link these down below. They are absolutely gorgeous. I had them on when I was trying on the sleeper set, so I'll do a close-up of them underneath there. But it's like a little peep toe moment. Wear it with a dress, wear it with jeans, and just have the toe peeping out. Wear it with the sleeper set, wear it with a little black dress, and let the rhinestones kind of speak for itself. It's a moment. I mean, it's not a super high heel. The length is not very high, but it's high for a lot of people, so I get it. It does have the padding that's super comfy. I highly recommend these heels. Hello. I highly recommend them. Grab them. I will link them down below. Let's look at the last item that I got during the Saks sale. One of my most comfortable sandals has to be by Chloe Sandals. I want to do a video, and I think I said this before. I want to do a video on sandals and flats that have taken me through the summer and have really made me fall in love with sandals. I want to do that video. Comment if you want that video. But I fell in love with these Chloe slides to the point where my friends made fun of me. They were like, oh, here she come with the slides again. Oh my God, look at that rabbit fur. She don't wore the slides out. I mean, they literally took my life. And then I stopped wearing it around them, but I still wear it. I wore it today. It has fur on the inside, so you would think I wouldn't wear it in the summer, but I wore it winter. I got it in the winter and wore it all the way to today. I don't care. My feet will sweat. I don't care. They're so comfortable. So I knew I wanted another pair of Chloe shoes just to see if it was a shoe brand that's super comfortable. At my big Jurassic Park age, if it's not comfortable, I don't want it. In heels. Now, you young girls, y'all are frisky. You'll put on anything and run around the world in it. I'm too old for that. My knees, my back, everything. I've had 2 kids. Everything aches when I get in bed. So if it's not comfortable, keep it. Tell your mom I don't want it. When I fell in love with the Chloe slides, I knew I needed another pair of Chloe shoes, but I wanted it to have a little bit of a height to it and not just be random slides. These shoes right here, scrumdiddlyumptious, a purr. This is the Chloe Woody Espadrille or Wedge. It is a beautiful shoe, and it is a shoe with a little bit of height. It's a sandal. It has a little bit of height. It is super firm. I mean, it's a firm wedge. Honey, it is not moving. This wedge, it don't move. There's not a lot of inserts in it. If you have flat feet and you have issues with shoes that don't have inserts or don't have cushion, this is not the shoe for you. If you like wooden sandals and if you're used to wooden sandals, you'll love this shoe. I have a pair of Air Max sandals that they're men's sandals that I love, and they're like wooden like this. Now those I've also worn out. I really need to do that video because I love me a good pair of sandals or flats. This shoe I bought it for my sister. One thing I will say, come close. It is not true to size. It is not. And when I say not true to size, I'm not saying a half size. Listen. I'm not saying a half size. I'm saying a full size up. I bought it for me and my sister when I was in New Orleans. I was like, oh, I'll just buy 2 of them. They were like $2.50 a piece. I said, I'll buy 2 of them. Bought one. I bought myself a 37 because that's my size. I bought my sister a 38 because that's her size. 7 and 8. I couldn't fit the 7s. So I knew she couldn't fit the 8s. If you have thicker, fatter feet, please go up a full size. This shoe, this right here, that's the problem. It's very narrow. So I ended up going and getting the 38 and then returning the 37s. I love them. I've worn them, I think, around. I did a styling. I'll put a video of me styling these to the side. But they are absolutely just gorgeous. Again, if you have wider feet, please size up. A full size or even a full size and a half up on these sandals. They will give you a little bit of a height and they're perfect. You can buy them and then wear them into, I guess, next summer because we're about to go into fall. But you can have them for the summer. Also, it's still very hot, so you can still wear them especially if you live in the South. You can wear them all the way till December over here in Alabama. So I highly recommend these shoes if you're looking for something with a little bit of pizzazz. It's sturdy, but what did I say? Size up. Alright, that is our haul for today. If you liked anything that you saw, I'm going to link it in the description box. If you like this video, please think about hitting the subscribe button. If you're one of my regular lovies, thank you so much for joining me on this side of the internet. Y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Love you. Mean it. Bye.